Hello, and welcome to our overview of managing cleaning service complaints. At SPIC and SPAN, we are committed to full customer satisfaction. We understand that issues can arise, such as concerns over cleaning quality or damages to property. Our policy ensures that all complaints are addressed swiftly and fairly. Should any dissatisfaction occur, we urge customers to report it within 24 hours, providing photos and detailed feedback. We aim for a quick resolution, but also emphasize the importance of customer responsibility, such as adhering to recommended cleaning durations, for instance. Examples from our records show our dedication to transparency and rectifying any issues promptly, be it through revisiting the cleaning site or offering refunds or discounts on behalf of cleaning providers when justified. Our goal is not just to resolve complaints proactively, but to foster a commitment to customer satisfaction, maintaining trust and high standards. For any inquiries or to learn how our services can benefit you, reach out to us at info@spicandspan.net. Your satisfaction remains our top priority.